Have you ever wondered how Dairy Queen does their blizzard cakes? Well, here I am explaining you how they do it.
You first start with a cylinder that's frozen, that's cold enough, and a cardboard that is 10 inches, because you're making a 10-inch Dairy Queen blizzard or a blizzard cake. When you get done with getting your supplies, you walk to the ice cream machine. Then you put 2 layers of ice cream. First, it might be a little difficult at first. It was difficult for me. My manager had to help me for a while. Then when you get done with that, you fill up the bottom with ice cream. When you get done back to wells, which is, we call that where we make the ice cream. You get a large cup to make a cookie dough blizzard. You fill it up halfway with ice cream, and then you fill and some on the side, and then you fill up 4 even scoops of cookie dough and a half a pump of hot fudge. And then you add more ice cream on top of that, and then you blend all of that up. When you get done blending it, you add more ice cream and then go back to your cake station. When you're back at your cake station, you get your icing spatula and smooth out all the ice cream on the bottom of the cylinder ring. When it's all smooth, you put the fudge and cookie dough on the center and you smush it down, pat it down. You add the blizzard that you made and even it out. When you get done evening it out, you slowly pull out the middle cylinder slowly, because if you do it fast, your cake might come out a weird shape. Then you lightly use a decorating triangular to uneven the sides. When you get done unevening the sides, you get a box to put the cake in, and then you cover it up. Then you mark it with a permanent marker, CD. CD stands for cookie dough. And then you mark it with a permanent marker, CD. CD stands for cookie dough. And then you go and put it in the freezer, and voila, you're done with a cookie dough
Now you
blizzard.
would let the cake sit out sit in the freezer for a whole day, and then someone else comes and decorates them for us. So this is how Dairy Queen does their cookie dough blizzard cakes. Thank you.